everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gold and brown cut crease makeup look. And to start out this look, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for the dark brown shade. And I'm going to use an angled brush to draw on where I want the cut crease to start. Next, using the Juvia's Place Zulu Palette, I'll be using the brown shade in there to blend out the darker shade. Then to cut the crease, I'm going to be using a Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Next, using the Warrior 2 palette, we're going to be using the lighter brown shade. And we're going to put this down at an angle going across the eye, keeping the color more pigmented towards the edges. Then going back to the Zulu palette, we're going to be using that same shade of brown again, putting it more towards the outer corners and blending into the lighter shade. Finally, using the Warrior palette again, we're going to be using the dark brown shade that we used for the crease and putting it on the outer corners. Next, we'll be using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette for the light gold shade. And we're going to be putting this in between where we left off from the light brown and where we cut the crease. For the lashes, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths mascara, and I'm topping this with false lashes later on. Next, I'm using a light brown powder to contour my cheekbones, forehead, and nose areas. Then using a CoverGirl bronzer as a blush. Then using the Warrior palette for a highlighter. For my lips, I'm using a NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in a tannish pink shade. And that completes this gold and brown cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.